You're fast? Alright, we gotta go this way. Come on, gotta go find him. You're faster than me? Oh yeah. You faster than me, Naomi?
Yeah.
Yeah? What? You're faster than me? Ah! Look how fast you guys are. Jeez, you're smoking me. I'm out of breath. Where are we going? Why are we go? Hey, do you realize how tall I am and I'm not gonna be able to fit through here? Alright, I'll go the other way. I'll go the big kid's way. Aren't they looking for you? Yeah, you guys better hurry. Hurry, he went that way.
Now we just have to find Becca and Hannah. That's what we have to find.
Hey, we should go this way. We should go towards the tube. Out there. I don't know, but Sadie's over there. We should go this way. Why are we running everywhere? Not that way.
Hey, what are you doing? Once I found the slug right there.
That slug?
Yeah.
What is it?
Killed it.
Jonah killed it?
You alright?
Yeah. No, I'm afraid of kids. Alright. What?
We can't go that way.
Nope, you can't. There's cars. Well, let's go find the other ones. Let's go in the woods that way. Hi, Jack. Go, go, go. You can't? You want to walk? I want to carry you? You got this? You good? Oh. It doesn't have batteries. What if they're in the fort though? So we should go this.
Go in the fort.
Why?
Because it's too bad.
It's too bad. Can I go in the fort?
I don't know.
I'll go in the fort. He'll watch me? So if I fall, are you going to laugh at me?
No.
You're not going to laugh? I know. They're nowhere to be found. Where'd they go?
One time I taped that thing. I taped that thing.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, see? That's it. Jonah! What's that?
It's mine.
I have a camera.
I know.
I like your wallet.
You like my wallet? Thanks.
I have a wallet. Our
Your wallet?
Here, our house. You have a wallet? Yep. I got two wallet. I don't. I think that.
Follow. Go.
Okay, where did I go? I bring it.
Wave to the camera, Si. Si, wave. Wave to the camera. Wave. Wave. Thank you.
A butterfly went on Sadie's head.
A butterfly went on Sadie's head.
Yep. It was tiny.
Can you wave to the camera?
What?
Can you wave? Camera? Like that? Wave? Thank you. Oh. You run faster!
Where did I go? You know I have one tooth.
Look
It's
really
loud,
close
baby.
into it. Oh boy, you're missing a tooth.
It's in my belly.
It's in your belly?
I eat an apple and then and I don't got any. Oh, come on. Yeah,
Cheaper than cement, right? But it doesn't have the light.
I got it.
He threw it at your head. That's not very nice.
He didn't mean it. He said sorry.
Okay. As long as he said sorry. That's gonna look good on camera.
Don't join the camper, they're not in the camper. Shut the screen door, yeah, I just shut that.
Good job. Why don't we go that way? Because we haven't went that way.
I think I hear someone.
Alright, so let's go this way.
I hear them. I know what that is for. It's nothing. I'm stepping on dirt.
Yeah, you're stepping on dirt.
Let's go through here.
Okay, go through there. Careful.
Wow.
Don't get poked. I don't think this way is clear anymore.
I saw someone. I saw someone.
Go, go, go.
This way. Yummy. No, Naomi, no, no. No, Naomi. Have to go this way. I saw someone go this way, so we have to go this way. Super nasty.